Hey friends, welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be super fun. We are creating a Mario inspired soap, and in here I have my embeds that I've created with melt and pour, and then I hand painted them with Mica. A lot of work, but this soap, it's super fun. We are gamers, we are a family of gamers. We grew up playing Mario Bros, and I was telling my husband the other day how cool it was that our son that is 9 years old also loved Mario as much as we did when we were growing up. He's so excited about this soap, and I hope you are too. So let's get started. So we're going to start, as always, adding some kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal to our soap. We watched the movie a couple weeks ago and we were so excited. My son loved it, I loved it, and I am totally inspired by the movie. Did you watch it? Tell me, how was your experience? We were talking about how fun it was that they really did a great job incorporating like all of the games into the movie, because I was asking myself like, how are they gonna incorporate like the Mario Kart parts and stuff like that, but I think they did a great job. So I'm now adding my live water. And we're going to mix. I am soaping today at 110 degrees. I always soap at 120, but since I do a very steep water discount, I decided to soap at 110. And we're going to use this fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. Sorry, I noticed my camera is not focusing, but it's too far from me to help her focus. The fragrance is Bubblicious from Nature's Garden, and I think it's super fun. The kids love it, and since I know this is going to be very famous between the little ones, so I decided to use the Bubblicious. So hopefully the grown-ups love them too, because the Game Boy bath bombs that I sell at the markets, they do very well with the adults. And the scent that I use for that one is Fruit Punch. Okay, so for the color, we're going to use bright yellow Raincoat from Mica's, and I'm just gonna add it directly to the batter. I chose yellow because the soap part, I'm going to create a custom stamp with the question mark, so it looks like the yellow block from the game. I think this fragrance is colored to a light tan color, and I forgot about that, so I'm just gonna very quickly mix some titanium dioxide to help with the discoloration in the long run. I am mixing it with some sunflower oil. And guys, let me know what you think about this new angle. I like the top angle, but since I just have like a homemade tripod, it was not really helping, because every time I did something the camera would shake, and I didn't like that. Okay, so I'm going to add my fragrance oil. I'm going to stir this, and this fragrance oil you can add up to 5%. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit less just because I don't want it to be too strong for the kids. It smells so good, just like bubble gum. Okay, let's just put this in the mold. And remember guys, everything I use in my videos, it's linked in the description box. Alright, just tap it. And I want the top to be completely flat, so I'm gonna take my spoon, move it side to side like so. And that will help us create a smooth surface. Okay, so now for the fun part, the embeds. And as you can see, if you move it, it doesn't even move, so it's ready. All right, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, so let me start. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, so maybe I was thinking of putting them like this, but now I'm thinking maybe I should do something like this. And I have to hurry up because it's getting really hard. I think this is cute. This is so cute. Okay, so we can do one like this. And then this. I was planning to do the star to put on top, and I have some here, but since they are yellow and the soap bar was going to be yellow, I didn't do it. Let's see, let's put this one here, push it down, like this, and then she would do one game on. The controllers are so fun. Let me just keep doing the controller. Okay, so one here. This is so fun, you guys. And if you're wondering where did I got the mold for the controllers, I got it at Joann's. It's in their chocolate section, chocolate and baking section. They have a bunch of cute molds. Alright, so this one here. It's gonna be so hard not to cut these. I'm cutting them. Oh, and the how do you call this? I forgot. Mushroom? The mushroom one I created myself with my 3D printer. So if you're interested in a mold like that, let me know in the comments. I can make it for you. Oh my god, this is too cute. Look at this, you guys. I left this part without anything because that part we cut. But yeah, well, I am now going to leave it uncovered so the melt and pour embeds do not sweat, and then we'll wait 24 hours for it to cure and we'll cut it together. Yeah, put it up.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're gonna cut a Mario soap.
Yes, 24 hours have passed and we are ready to cut our Mario soap, and we are so excited. My husband is also here with me. He's behind the camera. And now we're going to demold it. It smells so good, you guys. My assistant Dylan is going to put the soaps here. Every time I cut one, I'm gonna give it to him and he's gonna organize them in this tray, right Dylan?
Yes.
So let's cut this baby.
So excited.
Wish me luck, guys. I don't want to cut through any of the controllers, so let's see. Hey guys, so here is our soap already cut, and I made a custom stamp that Dylan is dying to show you. Show him, Dylan.
Yes!
So
Let me see if it works. I know it doesn't.
That stamp is going to be in the front of the soap. That's why I made the soap yellow. And then we're going to paint the interior with white mica. Did you have fun, Dylan?
Yes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I don't think any powers are gonna come out of this one. Well, the power of cleaning.
We are going to stamp our soap now, and as I show you, here's our stamp. I created this stamp with my 3D printer. Let me know what you think about this soap design in the comments. I had a lot of fun creating it. I hope you did too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos so you don't miss a thing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!